If you are watching this, you have a loved one who is running out of money paying for expensive long-term care. You want to get the government to pay for their fair share as soon as possible. You may have heard you can just fill out the application on your own, and you're wondering if that's a good idea. We understand your situation and why you are so concerned about finances, and you want to do the right thing by your loved one. We help people like you every day. Those families hire us to do the Medicaid application for them. Medicaid is the government program that pays for long-term care. And I am here to tell you why we do not recommend that you do the Medicaid application on your own. First, the application process is long and strenuous. Yes, you can find the application online, and at first it may not look intimidating. But once you get it all completed with all the requested information, it is a packet that is at least an inch thick. Here is a sample of an application that we recently did for a client. It took one of our experienced, efficient Medicaid attorneys over 8 hours to put this together in a way that presents the best case to the county for our client. The second reason you should not do this application yourself is that we know how to follow up with the county afterward. We know what to ask them and not to ask them. We know how to provide information and what is not really necessary. We have established credibility with the county because of our relationship with them. And even better, we know the rules and procedures even better than they do, and we can point it out when they are not following them properly and it is hurting you. The third reason you should hire our firm to do your Medicaid application is that effectively your loved one isn't really paying money for legal fees. Yes, you pay us legal fees, but Medicaid allows them as an expense before you apply for long-term care. So in essence, the government is going to pay for care a little bit sooner because you took a fraction of the money you're paying the nursing home and gave it to us. And we use that money to not only make sure your loved one keeps getting good care, gets the government to pay their fair share, we also can protect some of the assets so that your loved one ends up with more money because they hired us, not less. We have had plenty of clients who did not know these 3 points I just explained to you. They came to us in a crisis after they applied on their own or they had the nursing home apply, and they weren't eligible and they had big problems. I want you and your loved ones to avoid that kind of stress. Please call us today, whether you're 2 months away from applying or 2 years. We can help you, and the sooner the better.